Whirlpool front load washer. Troubleshooting handling drainage problems. Dealing with drainage problems in your Whirlpool front load washer can be frustrating. Proper drainage is essential for your washer's performance. Here we will cover common drainage issues and their solutions. Clogged drains. A clogged drain is a common cause of drainage problems. To fix this, follow these steps. Locate the drain filter. Found at the bottom of your washer, remove the filter. Twist and pull it out carefully. Clean the filter. Remove any debris or lint. Check the drain hose. Ensure it's not kinked or blocked. Regularly cleaning the drain filter and hose can prevent clogs. Here are some signs of a clogged drain. Water not draining properly. Unusual noises during the drain cycle. Longer than usual drain times. Faulty pump issues. A faulty pump can also cause drainage problems. To check for pump issues, unplug the washer. Safety first. Access the pump. Remove the back panel of the washer. Inspect the pump. Look for visible damage or blockages. Test the pump. Use a multimeter to check for continuity. If the pump is damaged, it will need replacement. Here's a quick guide to replace it. Order a new pump. Ensure it's compatible with your model. Remove the old pump. Disconnect wires and hoses attached to it. Install the new pump. Connect it the same way as the old one. Test the washer. Run a cycle to ensure proper drainage. Regular maintenance can prevent pump issues. Look out for these signs of a faulty pump. Water remains in the drum washer, not completing cycles. Unusual sounds from the pump area. By following these steps, you can handle most drainage problems in your Whirlpool front load washer. Regular checks and maintenance can keep your washer running smoothly.